Hello, dear viewers. Good day to you all. You're welcome to this class. So we have a question to solve, which is on the gradient of a curve. The question says the diagram shows the curve with equation y is equals to 6e raised to the power of 1 over 2x. That's the equation. The points on the curve with the x coordinates 0 and 2 are seen in the diagram. Okay, is denoted by A and B respectively. This is the point A and the point B. Now it says that the shaded region is enclosed by the curve. This is the shaded region here, okay? And the line through A parallel to the axis and the line through B parallel to the y-axis. Now it's asking us to find the exact gradient of the curve B, okay? So let's begin. The first step for us in solving this question is first to bring out the equation that has been given, which is the equation is y is equals to 6e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2x. So from here, there's a topic called differentiation. So we have to differentiate this equation that has been given to us. Okay, so for us to differentiate this, we can use what we call the chain rule. The chain rule states that when you have a function f of g of x, okay, this function, then the derivative of this function is going to be f of g of x times g of x. So from this chain rule now, we can use this to also differentiate what we have here. So differentiating now, we're going to make the power minus 1 over 2x. So here we say let minus 1 over 2x, that's the power, to be represented by a letter, let's say u. Okay, so from here now we have that y is equals to 6e raised to the power of u. Okay, so now let's differentiate this. We are going to have derivative of 6e raised to the power of u with respect to u. The u here is still going to be 6e raised to the power of u. Okay, so let's multiply the derivative of the inner function, which is u is equals to minus 1 over 2x. So from here we have that differentiating this now, we have du dx now is going to give us minus 1 over 2. When we differentiate minus 1 over 2x with respect to u, that is du dx, we have minus 1 over 2. The derivative of 6e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2x dx, this will be equal to, this will give us 6e raised to the power minus 1 over 2x times minus 1 over 2, which is what we have here. Okay, so simplifying this now, we have that this is equal to 6e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2x. Okay, so we have a minus here, then all over 2. So 2 here, 1, and 2 here is 3. So we have minus 3e raised to the power of minus 1 over 2x. So that means when you differentiate 6e raised to the power minus 1 over 2x, this gives us what? Minus 3e raised to the power minus 1 over 2x. So this is what we have. So from here, we can now continue, since we've differentiated the value for y that has been given to us in the question. So from here now, we can now see that y is equals to minus 3e raised to the power minus 1 over 2x. So from here, as you can see, we have to find the exact gradient of the curve B. So this is the curve B here, right? Okay, so from here, and we can see that B, as said in the question, that the line B, the line through B is parallel to the what? Y-axis, and this is the y-axis here, right? Okay, but we are asked to find the exact gradient of the curve B. So from here, we are going to substitute that x is equals to what? The value of x from here is equals to 2. So we are going to substitute in the value of x equals to 2 into this equation. So this is going to be y is equals to minus 3e raised to the power minus 1 over 2, then times the x now is going to be 2. Okay, so from here we have that y is equals to minus 3e raised to the power minus 1 times 2 gives us minus 2 over 2. So this is equals to minus 3e raised to power of minus, that is 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So we have minus 1. So this is the same thing as saying minus 3 times e raised to power minus 1 over 1. E raised to power minus 1 is the same thing as saying 1 over e. So this is the same as saying minus 3 over e. Okay, so now this is our final answer, that y, our final answer is now going to be y is equals to minus 3 over e. Okay, so the exact gradient of the curve b is minus 3 over e. Okay, so viewers, hope you've learned something new today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.